back to my channel today. Misty Slime Shop, as you know, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Turn on notifications if you're new here. Do all what I just said, and remember making slime in a tent video. Now we're going to be fixing that slime in a tent. So the green, I think I might add more green though. But then if you look on the other side, it's really just white. So it's like a minty green, and it's not mixing in very good when once I want with my hands. So I'm gonna add one more or maybe two more drops of green. Alright. Please don't tell me. Oh no. No. It stained me. I turned into Hawk. Geez, how did dry? No. As I was mixing, it happened. Should I go with two hands, guys? Maybe not now. Actually, yeah. Why is this? It got more stained. I feel the powder of the borax in here. Ugh. So I basically got my slime now. Where'd all the lotion go when you need it? I think this needs a little bit more glue and a little bit more making a video.
Yeah, you left the door open.
More glue and lotion, I think. So let's put more glue. Can't open it. Maybe more lotion then. No. Okay. More lotion now. Ew. Use some for my hands. Oh. Actually, this lotion smells. Oh, that was me. That was this. So good though. Like I'm just washing someone's hair. Ew. That's weird. It's 4-inch hung, and I really need that glue. Why'd I go in with two ends? Why? Why did I have to? Ugh. Maybe do a part 2 of fixing this slime. Ugh. So, bye guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll do the part 2 right after I get my hands clean so I can open up this glue. Or maybe not, my brother can help me, or the cameraman technically. Bye!